lorry, isn't it?
Let's
The
go.
lorry goes. The lorry goes. Brum, 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 brum.
Poking me.
Brum, 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 brum.
No, stop it.
Yeah, there's the lorry again. Brum, 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 brum,
Open the door.
Out! We got the cockle again.
He's gone now.
Ooh.
He's gone. No, he's
You know
gone.
what the mouse
Gone
does?
through now.
Squeak,
So
squeak,
we're
squeak.
going down the road again.
Squeak, squeak, squeak.
Who can we meet now? How about we meet a giraffe?
That's a
No,
turkey.
With a baby
giraffe. Go, go, go.
No, we've roughly the wriggle bottom's gone. We threw him out.
No,
We
no.
did.
No, he's a wiggle bottom.
A hipper wriggle bottom.
He's wiggly bottom in the car. In the stew.
This is not going
You
to plan.
realise you're going to be on YouTube
I
later,
know.
don't you?
No, he's not, are you?
And,
I
You
know.
wouldn't dare.
and my animal sound
I know.
probably.
Oh, for goodness
I know.
What?
I need a successor to the Halloween grandpa hits.
I know.
What?
Throw him in the car. In
That's
the
my successful video.
Throw her in the sea.
See?
So, right, now what about it then?
Now?
Now we want a dolphin to go and fetch her.
Yeah.
Go on then, get a dolphin. I'm not going to play this game. It's not being filmed.
Are we off? Bye. See you later. Bye. See you
I'm
later.
just a dolphin.
You're the dolphin, I mean. You
I'm
went and
the
rescued them, did you? Well done. We'll put them in the back. That's it. They can have a sleep now. Have a sleep.
No.
together. Yeah, they're having a sleep back there.
No, that you can have that's that,
Thank you.
and that's that.
I don't like this. No, no, no. You can. Okay, I'm pushing around here. All right, are you driving again? Who's driving this time? You? Okay.
Yeah. Beep, that brick.
Go on then.
What's in the car?
No, what? Not what's in the car. What's on the road?
You put it on there.
What's
What's
on the
on
road?
the road?
Oh, yeah.
There's a
good
man
boy.
with a